Hey.
Yeah, I'm not going fast. Ha ha la la. This thing is not fast. Hey, we have a hero. We can hit our asses.
Careful.
This thing is like a. La 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 la. Hey, it's fun.
What are you doing? Slow down.
Hey, that's fun.
Hey, this car came out really cool.
Yeah.
Custom seats, custom flooring. I like it. Looks good.
Ooh, it's fast. No, it's not. Hello. This car looks like back in like 20s racing car.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to race? Oh. What the fuck?
Okay, so we just lost the race.
I just told you want to race.
You just told the guy you want to race and he smoked us. That's it. It's a maximum power, right? It doesn't go anywhere.
I think it does, no? Hey, you want to go get ice cream?
With this?
Yeah. We're gonna go get ice cream. McDonald's ice cream. You guys want to come?
No, go back to the shop. We have to work. Go back.
Okay.
We're gonna get ice cream. McDonald's. This was fun, man.
Yeah.
It's a nice thing to drive, but it's not safe.
Hey, it is
Very
safe.
bad. Not safe at all.
No?
No, man. If somebody hits you in this thing, you're dead. You're not coming back. Once
Bro,
you get
why you think about negative thing? Just think positive.
You can't survive in this thing.
Bro,
Look how small this thing is.
you cannot even survive on the car if the truck hits you. So
A
just think.
regular car tire is as big as this thing.
Yeah, but.
Be careful, don't hit the curb. Don't hit the curb, watch out. Fire department's coming. I think we're too fat for this car. Be
I know.
careful.
I see. Ooh.
Hey! So you guys have seen this one before. We did all the wrap on this Vanderhall here previously. Car came back for some interior work. So he didn't like the seats, the material of the seats, also the flooring of this car. As you guys can see, it's all gray with black diamond stitching. It looks incredible. They came out very, very nice. So we got brand new seats, flooring, all custom. We did it all here at RDBLA.
So this is how.
What are you doing?
Fixing sticks. Look what I'm going through every day. So many people to deal with. 8 people every day, like little babies. Vic, can I ask a question? Why are you sitting and you're not working? You're dead. Hit my eyes.
So we are in the Rolls Royce Wraith. Obviously that's repetitive. We do a lot of Rolls Royce Wraiths, Dons, Cullinans. This car was stock, black, no mods, nothing. Has 3,000 miles. Customer wanted to spice it up a little bit, and now we're full white. So literally, this customer could have bought a white Rolls Royce, but maybe found a better deal with a black one. Wasn't afraid to change its color. That's what wraps are for. And we wrapped the whole car in white. We also did all the trims, all the accents, everything in white. So front grille, window trims, door handles, All the chrome trims were wrapped in white. Nothing was painted on this vehicle except for the Spirit of Ecstasy. We don't wrap that. 24-inch white 4Giotto wheels, of course, to match, lowering. And now we have a really stunning custom all-white Rolls Royce Wraith. So you guys have seen us do a lot of Rolls Royces in all white. It seems to be a big trend with us. We were doing a lot of the all black, two-tone black, white with colors, blue, orange. You guys saw that recently. But now we went back to this all white look. So you guys also have seen that white Cullinan we did. That was all white as well, but that was in a satin white. It had the same wheels as this car, or else I would love to bring them both together and have the same.
I need you to get in the car with you, so just go back to the shop.
Okay. Joe's idea of talking in the car doesn't work because you're talking the whole time instead.
He didn't tell me that. You guys need to communicate.
What are your gloves gonna do for you?
Protect from you.
How is it gonna protect from you?
See, I can block you.
The virus can't go inside you through your hand. You know that, right?
Yeah.
It has to go through like your mouth or something. So if you get the virus on that,
I touch my mouth.
yeah,
That's
and the gloves touching your mouth.
No,
same
no, I take it out.
Oh, you're gonna take it off. Yeah.
Your
foot's crooked.
crooked.
Your foot's crooked.
Your brain is crooked.
Your foot is crooked.
At least this is fixable, but that's not fixable.
Circus strikes back.
Aston Martin.
You like those Aston Martins?
It's not that bad. They're good. To be honest, it's not something crazy. The lunch, bro, look at the line. The lunch is really bad on the Aston Martin. When you drive it, something doesn't feel right. It's not like sporty, it's like more.
Do you like you like this wrap?
Yeah, it's good. It's like something you get attention.
All right, what can I get for you guys
Okay,
today?
let me get chicken stripes, 3 of them. Let me get grilled nuggets, 4 to order. 4 to order. Spicy deluxe sandwich, 3. 3 fries. And we get extra barbecue sauce, ketchup.
Can I get a name for the order?
Sarkis.
Okay, total will be $16.97 at the
Thank you.
window.
Okay, got it. Thank you. I don't like this place. I'm gonna get a burrito for myself. Stupid moron.
Yeah, it's wild.
A lot of businesses are not going to be able to bounce back from this.
Yeah.
Are you? What the? Bro, why are you eating while you're taking out the food?
What is it gonna feel?
So we have a 2020 Mercedes GT AMG Coupe. This thing is it's a brand new car, so we're not doing much to it now. Besides, the customer just wanted a muffler delete to give it a little bit of a nicer sound, which we did, and the car sounds amazing. It already sounds pretty nice, but with that, it just gives it the right sound. Here we go. Pretty nice. Very quick. Pretty quick. Sounds nice. I like it. Back to RDB.
What size is that?
Medium.
Oh, well, that's not bad. I mean, this is how you wear your shirts anyway.
Yeah.
He wears it that tight.
You look pregnant.
I like the shirts this way. Once is this way. They can show up.
Alright guys, new shirts at rdbl.com. We haven't done new designs for a long time. Our last one was the Ferrari shirt. But yeah, new shirts, totally redesigned. We are doing our own branding. So this is SVJ. This is when we started here on Sunset Boulevard, Los Angeles. Nothing on the back, super clean. Nice fitted shirt. It's the first time we did a full color printed on logos. We don't have too many. We might reorder, but for the time being, we only have a few. So jump on the website and order. Sarkis, you want to come model for us? It could even make a guy like this look handsome.
Yeah.
That's impossible.
Hey, but they wrote it. I'm the face of the RDB. I run the show.
In the head.
You're the face of the Michelin, man.
That's what you are. Hey, I wish. You know how much millions I would make?